Welcome to Shock Lab. Today we're exploring how pH indicators reveal chemical changes through a series of dramatic color transformations. Our experiment begins with a solution of distilled water and phenolphthalein. At this stage, the solution is completely colorless. Now I add a small piece of calcium carbide. As soon as it comes into contact with water, a chemical reaction begins. Calcium carbide reacts with water to produce acetylene gas and calcium hydroxide. The calcium hydroxide makes the solution alkaline. Because the solution is now alkaline, phenolphthalein changes from colorless to a bright pink color. This color tells us that the pH has increased. Next, I slowly add sulfuric acid. The sulfuric acid reacts with the calcium hydroxide and neutralizes the solution. As the pH drops, the pink color gradually disappears until the solution becomes completely colorless again. Now for the final step. I add a few drops of bromothymol blue. This indicator responds differently to changes in pH. Since the solution has become acidic, it immediately turns bright yellow. 3 different colors, 1 solution. And all of these changes happen simply by controlling the pH. Chemistry is amazing. Subscribe to Shock Lab for more fascinating chemistry experiments.